Lawyers rushed to the Sessions Court with Aryan's bail order. Bail bond of 1 lakh rupees to be furnished by Team Aryan. 14 conditions that have been listed for Aryan Khan in that bail order. Aryan to walk out after bail order reaches jail. This is the information that we get here right now. Aryan Khan, in just moments from now, possibly will be released from the Arthur Road jail. In fact, Shah Rukh Khan himself leaves Mannat as the stage is all set here for Aryan Khan's release. Lawyers of Aryan Khan have rushed to the Sessions Court with Aryan's bail order. The bail bond of 1 lakh rupees is to be furnished there by Aryan Khan's team. 14 conditions, we believe, have been listed out in that bail order. Aryan Khan to walk out after bail order reaches jail. Remember, it's now 22 days that Aryan Khan is in prison. He's in custody for the last 22 days. Initially, he was in NCB's custody and then was sent to judicial custody. No preferential treatment that was given to Aryan Khan throughout. In fact, he was not even allowed home food. He ate food from jail, from prison, what was given by prison authorities. He was only allowed some clothes from home. He was not allowed to meet anyone either, maybe just a phone call to his family member. And just for 2 minutes, that was allowed. In fact, Aryan Khan now all set to be released. Saurabh Bhaktania joining us right outside Arthur Road Prison, right outside Mannat. Saurabh, what do you see there? Shah Rukh Khan has left his residence. You're right outside Mannat. Along with him, anyone else? Is he going towards Arthur Road jail itself to receive his son outside?
Well, we only could spot Shah Rukh Khan in the car left from Mannat, and now he's heading likely to Arthur Road jail, because what the sources are telling us that the order copy has been sent to Sessions Court. Now, where Sessions Court, they'll be preparing the release order. So it is going to take some time of 10 to 15 minutes, let me tell you, because the registrar has to enter it, then proper entry data has to be maintained in the books over there. The copies has to be given both to the court and themselves, and that has to be attested. After that, it's around 15 to 20 minutes of procedure, and let me tell you, from Sessions Court, this release orders goes to Arthur Road jail. Outside the Arthur Road jail, there is a box which is called as a Zamanat box. At there, you have to put in this particular release order. The Zamanat box are opened twice a day, once 6 in the morning and 5:30 p.m. in the evening. Once this release order is put into this particular Zamanat box, that your release is for sure. If you put it before 5:30, then your release is sure for that particular day. And by what time we are expecting? By 4, even if they leave by 4 from Sessions Court, so by 4:30 they leave. They reach the Arthur Road jail. And what the Arthur Road jail sources are telling us, that Aryan Khan is very happy. He's continuously speaking to other inmates inside the jail. He is also making sure that if they need any financial help, if they need any support in future, then he will definitely help them. He has taken down some numbers as well. So this is a very interesting thing which the jail officials have told us. And he's also said that he was the most well-behaved under trial inmate inside the Arthur Road jail. Whatever was said to him, whatever the protocols were, Aryan Khan followed them all. When they told him about the release, his bail order, he was very much happy. Let me tell you, the first reaction of